Hello everyone. Today we are here to understand our next topic, that is modals. Modals are also called auxiliaries. Auxiliaries or helping verbs. So modals also act as helping verbs. Actually, in a sentence, we have two types of verbs. One is main verb and one is another one that helps the main verb. Those are called helping verbs. Like for example, I can swim. So swim is the main verb here, but the word used can is helping this main verb. So this word can be taken as a helping verb, and this is a modal. So let us understand what are modals. Modals are, as I said, auxiliary verbs, also called as helping verbs. There are different modals like can, will, could, shall, must, would, might, should, etc. They add meaning to the main verb in a sentence by expressing this possibility, ability, permission, or obligations. There are certain conditions which they express depending upon which model we have used. Like, for example, if I say, I can swim. So, this word can is showing the ability that yes, I am able to swim. If I am saying I should swim, now here it is showing we can take it as an advice that I should swim, taken can be taken as an advice. So depending upon which model we have used, it shows the possibility, ability, permission, or obligation. So let us understand further. These are different modal verbs like can, could, must, might, ought to, will, should, may, etc. Let us understand further. A modal verb, as I said, is a helping verb which add meaning to the main verb. Like see these examples. They go out. This is a simple sentence without any model. But if we add certain models to it, it changes the meaning of that sentence. Like if I say, they must go out. Now, this must is a model which is showing an obligation that they have to go out. They must go out. It's an obligation. But if I am saying they should go out, now here it can be taken as an advice that they are advised to go out. If I am saying they can go out, so they can go out can be taken as a permission also, that I am giving a permission to them to go out. They are permitted to go out. They may go out. If I say may, it shows the possibility that they have a little possibility of going out. They will go out. It shows the future tense that in future they will go out. So all these words must, should, can, may, will are modals which shows different conditions like obligation, advice, permission, possibility, or simply a future tense. Let us understand further. Now there are different modal verbs as we discussed. Now let us understand how they are used. Like can or could. Can or could are used to show ability, request, or permission. Could is used in past tense and can be used in present tense. Past of can be taken as could. First, like if it is showing the ability, we can say like I can ride a bicycle. I can is the model here which is showing the ability of me that yes, I am able to ride a bicycle. In the past tense, if we have to say, we will say I could ride a bicycle at the age of 10. Means when I was 10 years old, I was able to ride a bicycle. So can and could are used to show the ability. Then they are also used to show a request like, can you get a ticket for me too? Means I am requesting you to get a ticket for me. Same way it goes for past. Could you get a ticket for me too? Now, next one is permission. Example, you can sit here. Means I am giving you the permission to sit here. You are permitted to sit here. So these are used for ability, request, or permission. Now, could sometimes means a polite request also when we are requesting politely. Like for example, could I have your book? So I am politely requesting you to use your book. So in that way, we can use could. Could I have your book? It's a polite request. So these were the uses of can and could. Now let us see the next one, that is may. May is used to show the possibility, permission, or wish. See the possibility first. I may go to meet my aunt means it is a certain possibility that I may go out to meet my aunt. He may come home today. There is a slight possibility that he may come. So may is used to show the possibility. Then it can also be asked for a permission, like may I come in? I'm asking for a permission. You may go out to play. I'm giving you the permission to go out to play. So may is also used for seeking permission or for giving permission. Then it is also used to show wish, like may you have a long life. I wish you to have a long life. May God bless you. I wish may the Lord bless you. So may is also used to show wish. So these were the uses of may. Now let's move to the next one. Next one is might. Might is used to show a slight possibility. May shows a greater possibility. Might shows possibility, but that's a slight possibility. Like they might go out for dinner. There is a slight possibility that they might go out for dinner. He might come if we call him. If we call, there is a slight possibility that he might come. So might is another modal which is used to show a slight possibility. Now let us move to the next one, that is will and shall. They are used to show the future tense, like she will go to Kanpur on Monday. Will shows the future tense. I shall climb the hill. This is again showing the future tense. Sometimes it is also used to show a determination, like I will succeed in the venture, means I am determined to succeed in that venture. Next, they shall work hard. It is a determination on their part that they are determined to work hard. So, will and shall are used to show future tense as well as a determination. Now, let us move to the next one. Should. Should is used to show duty or obligation. Sometimes we have certain duties which we should perform. Like we should follow the traffic rules. It is our duty to follow the traffic rules. She should control her temper. Means she should control. It's a duty we can say, or an obligation. Obligation means she is obliged to do something that she should control. It's like can be taken as an advice also. Possibility. He should be in his office. I'm not sure, but there is a slight possibility that he should be in his office. Then it can be taken as for advice also. Like you should not play with fire. It's an advice. It can be harmful. So we use should to show the advice that you should not play with fire. So should is used to show duty, possibility, or advice. Now let us move further. Next one is would. Would is used to show sometimes a wish. Like I would like to see your house. I wish to see your house. So I say I would like to see your house. It is also used for polite expressions like would you mind explaining this to me? Means politely I'm requesting to somebody, would you mind please explain this to me? Then it can also be taken as a condition. Like if he were clever, he would stay away from him. Like it's a condition. If he were clever, this is a condition. If he were clever, he would. Then what should be the effect of that? He would stay away from him. So would is used to show a wish or a polite expression or condition. The next one is must. Must is used to show a fixed determination. Like I must learn physics. I am determined to learn physics. It's like a fixed determination. I must learn. Then it can also be taken as necessity or a compulsion. Like we must be loyal to our country. It's a necessity that we should definitely be loyal to our country. So must and should, if we talk, compare must and should is not necessarily taken. It's not a compulsion. If I am saying we should be loyal, it can be taken just like an advice. But if I am saying I must be loyal or we must be loyal, so it shows a strong obligation or a compulsion or a necessity, we can say. Then it can also be taken as a prohibition or command, like students must not eat in the classroom. It's a prohibition for the student or a command to them that they should definitely not eat in the classroom. So must is also used for a command or prohibition. Students must not eat in the classroom. So these were the uses of must. Now see, dare. Now, dare can be taken as a challenge when we have to say, like, he dares to call you a thief, that he is challenging you to call you a thief. Next one, it can also be taken as a venture or courage in negative or interrogative sentences, like, how dare you behave like this to me? Means, how did you get the courage to behave like this to me? I dare not tell him lies. Means I do not have the courage to tell him the lie. So in that sense, we use dare. How dare you to talk to me like this? I dare not tell lies to you. So these were the uses of dare. Now see the next one. These were the modal verbs that we did today. I hope all these modal verbs are clear to you. Thank you.